Meaning of drape.
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 Drape. The word drape means to arrange or hang cloth in loose, graceful folds. When we drape something, we create a pleasing aesthetic effect with the fabric. The result is a soft, flowing look that adorns furniture, windows, or human bodies. Draping is commonly used in interior design, fashion, and art. It's a versatile technique that can be used to create a variety of moods, from elegant to casual and from formal to relaxed. The key to successful draping is to achieve balance and harmony in the arrangement of the cloth.